Max, what are we doing today?
Well, we're just getting this truck.
We're getting this truck, and how are we paying for it?
I don't know.
Is it with your money that you saved?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where does money come from, Max?
Work.
That's right. I'm very proud of you for saving up your money.
Or maybe day.
Yeah.
Mommy, bye-bye.
Alright, here, we'll give the lady your money, okay? When it's your turn.
Mommy, hold this, okay?
Well, you're going to have to give it to the lady to check out. Okay?
What's that?
Oh, it's the alarm. Security system. Okay, Max, can you put your truck on there? Okay, give her your jar. Here you go. Can you give it to her?
Are you just talking to your number?
Yes. Ooh, careful.
I can look it up on the phone number.
Sure. 412-319-7287.
Lisa?
Yep.
There is $10.85 left. Your total is $5.73.
Oh.
But we have a
Wow. Max, look. It's not as much as we thought.
Wait, it's less than it was?
It was $5.73.
Oh, Max, you have so much money, and you have to live a crazy time. You need some help, Mommy?
Nope, I got it. There we go, Max.
Thank goodness we came back on Black Friday, Max.
There's 2 cents. There's your change.
There you go. What do you say, Max?
Thanks.
Good job, buddy.
Oh,
There you go. Oh, there we go. Good job. Now we have more for next time.
Here, come here, Bob.